Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Trello detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type www.trello.com and press enter. You will be directed to the Trello homepage. Look for the login button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be taken to the login page. Here, you have two options for logging in. You can enter your email address and password associated with your Trello account. If you prefer, you can also log in using Google or another authentication method. If you choose to log in with an email and password, fill in your email address in the first field. Then, enter your password in the second field. Ensure that both entries are correct to avoid login issues. Once you have entered your credentials, if your information is correct, you will be redirected to your Trello dashboard. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password. Once logged in, explore your boards and projects. This completes the login process for Trello. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.